Hi friends, my name is Suman. I am from Patna, Bihar. After completing my graduation, when I was searching for job, I got to know about Evision from one of my friend. So I decided to join Evision. After joining, I found here faculties are very technical and very supportive. They teach us from scratch level to advanced level. They teach us from basic networking to virtualization, CCNA, Linux, Windows administration, and cybersecurity. They also teach us about Outlook, which is very important in IT sector. They trained us to enter in IT sector at basic level like system engineer. They also give us knowledge about interview, which give us many confidence to crack interview. So I finally want to tell everybody, if you want a good job in IT sector, then please join Evision. It is very good institute. Thank you.